In this lesson, we're going to go over multiplying powers with the same base. So in this example, you can see we're asking how can we simplify x to the fourth times x to the third. Notice these two powers have the same base of x. We don't know what x is, but we know it's the same for both powers. So let's ask ourselves, what does x to the fourth really mean? And what does x to the third really mean? Well, x to the fourth is just mathematicians' lazy way of writing x times x times x times x. And x to the third is really just an abbreviation for x times x times x. So if we're multiplying x to the fourth times x to the third, we're really multiplying all these x's together. Now if you count them up, you can see that we've got 7 x's multiplying by each other, which we can actually abbreviate using a power itself, which is x to the 7th. There's 7 x's there. From this, we can kind of make a general rule. When multiplying two powers with the same base, all you have to do is add the exponents. So x to the fourth times x to the third becomes x to the 4 plus 3, which equals x to the 7th. Now I want you to look at this example. It's a little more challenging, but if you just follow this one simple rule, you should get the right answer. Again, when multiplying two powers with the same base, add the exponents. So go ahead and pause the video now, and we'll go over the answer in a second. Okay, welcome back. So hopefully you got a chance to go through this and got the answer 18y over x to the 9th. Now I'm going to color code these portions of this problem to help make it a little easier to see which parts we're working on. Focusing first on the powers, x to the -5th and x to the -4th. We're going to apply our rule here. Since they both have a base of x, we can just add the exponents, -5 and -4. And that's going to give us x to the -9th. Now, I also got 18 there and a y. So notice that the 18 comes from the 3 times 6. Those coefficients are not part of the power. They're just regular old numbers that are multiplying. Similarly, the y is just hanging out there multiplying by the end, so we just leave it there. Now, what we can't leave is a negative exponent in our answer. So recall that a negative exponent means reciprocal. So x to the -9th really means 1 over x to the +9th. So we're going to rewrite this as 18y over x to the +9th. Again, color coding it, we can see how the 18 and y stayed up on top and the x to the 9th moved downstairs.